everybody check it out. Here we got the really cool McGruff 926 called the Liberator here from GPTOYS. They make some great stuff. Here you can see it's four-wheel drive, has headlights, splash resistant, very cool looking little truck. Here's some of how the transmitter and stuff looks and the functions. 12 scale. It says up to 12 minutes of run time. Bunch of specs and info there. There's kind of what the car looks like with the body off. A little more info here on the bottom. So there you go. We'll get it unboxed here and we'll show you what you get. Okay, here's what you get in the box. You've got your charger for the 2 lithium batteries that run it, USB powered, which is awesome. You actually get some spare body clips. You gotta love that. You got a screwdriver, the manual, and the transmitter. They package up inside there. So we'll pull the body for you here. Show you what's going on in there. So there's the body. It's a nice little body. Good paint job. Transmitter is just kind of tucked in there. Carefully take it out. There we go. Pull that out of the bubble wrap. Here's what your transmitter will look like. Feels like a nice proportional one. Got your reverse, and I don't know what slow and normal is. Maybe a steering speed. We'll have to see about that one. And you'll probably need a couple double A's for that. Pretty cool. It actually feels really good in your hands. And then here is the truck with no body. Little info there. So here's where your batteries are, one on each side. Nice smooth bottom to the truck. That'll be a good thing. Steering. Yeah, looks pretty good. Definitely going to be fun. You can see here where the headlights are. So they fit in behind the headlights on the body. That should be kind of cool. Let me get these batteries out of here and show you what you get. .7 volt, 150 milliamp. Those are for shipping. Another one. So obviously we're going to have to charge those up and get our batteries in the transmitter. And then we'll be back. We'll go and take it outside, do some bashing. Okay, a couple quick facts. This slow and normal supposedly is the speed of the truck. You can go from low speed to high speed, so to speak. So there's that. And then it says on the batteries that it should take about 4 hours to charge. So there you go. So we'll be back. I do see the headlights are not pointing. There we go. Make sure you get your body in, otherwise your headlights won't be pointing out the headlight holes. Just noticed that. So anyway, there's your tips. Be right back. Okay everybody, here we go. Got it charged up, got the batteries in place. You can just pop these off from there. So we'll turn on the transmitter. See the lights up here in the top. You can't really see it, but this flashing. Then you turn it on there, you can see the lights. So that's it. Here we go. one other thing, you have slow speed and normal speed, so you flip that switch for the two different speeds. And then your steering trim. So first thing I always like to do, so I'll go straight away, and I'll adjust the steering trim as it goes. There's full throttle on the slow. Got the steering trim about right? Perfect. So here we come. You can see the light's pretty good. Nice thing I'll note about this one is when you want to go backwards, you don't have to hit it twice like some other cars. It just goes. So very cool feature. Let's put it on high speed or normal. Oh wow, yeah, that's a big difference, all right. Nice. Man, it goes pretty good. I like that. Awesome. Let's find a little rougher terrain for it. Let's put her to slow speed. Kind of be our crawling mode. Root around a little bit here in slow. Handles it very well. Okay, we'll go back to normal speed. This is where we'll probably roll it. Got some good range. It's all wet out here. I'm gonna get out of this. Nice. This is going to be awesome for my 4-year-old. He is going to love this thing. Especially since I can put it slow, so he can learn and get the feel of it. Then I can put it high once he gets good and really get crazy. Handles this terrain really good. There you go, got a little air there for y'all. Can't believe I haven't flipped it yet. This is awesome. This is a fun truck. Nice. Hey, there it is, my first flip.
Come on. Ah, I thought I had it. Okay, flyby, high speed. Coming back, high speed. Slow speed. Coming back, slow speed. Back to normal speed. Runs great. Okay guys, well, this is an awesome truck. I got it filthy. Still working good. Everything is awesome. I love the high or normal and slow speed. Transmitter feels good. It's very well proportional. You can see it goes really slow. This is in normal speed as well, so obviously in slow it'll be even slower. But it's got the punch. It really got the punch. So this one gets a thumbs up from me. I like it. Make sure you check it out in the link below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe.